Hi guys, I'm Shuludo and I'll be taking you through a tutorial video of how to use NYKAA and its various features. On display are various offers of companies and products. So I've decided to show you some shade masks that are in wide circulation during this time. The thing that I'm showing here is the top offers and the deals of the day that are being the concern of the day. So there are various clearance sales, 70% off, 40% off. They can be availed. So these are various products, and if you want to buy them, add them to the bag and you can check out later. So and this is the explore options, which is a comprehensive list of all videos and tutorials about how to optimize your skincare. So in this search button, you can search for the companies that you want to get. For example, I'm trying to search for MAC Pro here. In the MAC collection, I'm going through this collection of products, lipsticks, primers, foundation. Right now I'm searching for Revlon lipstick. So the great thing about NYKAA's feature is that you can select the various shades that you want according to which skin tone will be most suitable for your lips. You can match according to whether you want to buy it for your friend or for a friend or relative, for aunt, etc, etc. If it's out of stock, you can tell them to notify you by pressing the notify button. Now these are the various moisturizers that are in display. Okay, so wallet details. You can pay for your NYKAA products through this My Wallet option. Help Center. And this is a comprehensive list of various problems and issues that you could face while using this app. It provides a comprehensive list of any sort of order related problems or cancellation refund problems that you might face while ordering, and the customer service experience is quite smooth. So let's try searching for the Body Shop. Let's try checking out and paying for the order delivery. So we've added it to the bag and now we can proceed. So let's try entering the coupon code for this. By applying the coupon code, you can access a wide variety of offers and discounts.